working on the outreach programs, trying to see that new specialties are started in Goa Medical College. And under the Niti Aayog, there are several models by which you can run these hospitals. So what is the best model suited for Goa without a single rupee extra to be paid by the citizen of Goa will be our most focused area. Now the new super specialty hospital is getting ready. How to make it functional? How to see that it's a unique model? It's the largest hospital in India under the PMSSY. But I'm sure doctor, myself will sit down, our team of all the HODs will sit down and will come up with a unique model. For that you have to engage a consultancy and several other things as per the guidelines given by the Niti Aayog. And Honorable Prime Minister also has said education and health are the thrust areas in the country. Hence, public-private partnership is something which is very important. And I'm going to mention in the House, whatever we do will be totally transparent, in interest of the people of Goa, and everything can be scrutinized.